Jello Beats, holla at me.
Yeah, bitch. Cut up. You know what it is. Yeah, man. Pussy niggas fall back, huh? Bitch ass nigga. Yeah, you know what it is. That's straight out the rack, bitch. Huh? Listen.
Fuck, I'm switching cars every 5 days. It's looking like a traffic jam in my driveway. My favorite day for spending cash is called my day. They call me Mr. Wrong just cause that what Blythe said. Bought another couple drinks in the telly lounge. She running sprints for this nigga cause I'm blowing pounds. One more sip out of that ground as it goes around. Would've thought I was a god, I hold a crown. I'm a king, motherfucker, I'm a king. I'm never broke, I'm hustle by any means. I'm dedicated to making it with my team. Ha, it's AOB, motherfucker, AOG. Look, but don't forget to put that G after that B. You can fly, kill yourself. This ain't a fucking dream. Look, it's Weeds Block and click of niggas you'll never fuck with. Got a fetish for plenty hoes and extensive duckers. Not the type to associate with my peers. Nowadays, shit, none of them niggas real. Bitch, you wasn't with me sweating in the field. They wasn't thinking about eating, I'm getting meals. In present life, my newest bitches be indecisive. My past times be telling me don't repeat the cycle. My mother told me, son, you got a closet full of demons. So I'm guessing that's the reason my thoughts are despiteful. Now's the time for the pussy niggas to speak. I want it live, not trying to wait for the leak. Keep playing, bet they find you in the creek. Body decaying, she eating on it for weeks. Bet your main girl my #1 freak. You at work while I'm fucking and nothing all on your sheet. Thought I told them they should miss me with the fuck around. Pieces of tissue be missing when I fuck around. Another money you can find me on the beach. Blanca, he was kicking sand with my feet. I'm not a rude boy, but I got rude ways. Fuck a bitch and then I'm done with her in 2 days. See why you contemplate? Nigga, my moves made. And bitch, you know I'm trying to ball like a smooth egg. Look at that money feeling all like a toothpick. You niggas sweet, very soft like a duvet. Ooh, that's hot. What you trying to say? I ain't trying to hear it. All of my baddest bitches got the mean spirits. Never been to Paris, I should take a visit. Most of these niggas fake. Me, I suffer from realness, feeling under the weather. Shit, my flow is the sickest. Better not show for that trial. See, we murdered the witness. Chopper cut through your kidney, shells rip through your liver. You can't fuck with my team, bitch. We the best in division. No discussing my business. Got no trust in these women. We really be winning, ball in the roughest conditions. Better play your position. We put a stop to contenders. My niggas official, don't like to fuck with pretenders. My life is expensive, bitches and plenty smoke. Fuck running the back, blowing on that Acapulco. While you listening, I should leave you with a bad sentence. Bitch, I'm still spending money for my last mission. God, bitch, you know, that's money every day, bitch ass nigga. You already know how we rockin', come and meet a nigga. You know what it is, it's AOB, AOG. That know you in this bitch. Got the gang in this bitch, you know what it is, bird. Fly, kill yourself, fuck boy. Huh? What it is? Bang, bang, mafia gang, bitch ass nigga. Shout out, do